Hello everyone, my name is Govind.
And myself Om.
Today we are going to demonstrate an industrial project on conveyor belt object counting machine.
So at first we will try to create our system virtually using the Tinkercad software, and then we will apply that mechanism in our physical world.
So let's start.
So to create and simulate our virtual circuit, we are using the Tinkercad software. So the components which we are using to create our circuit is like this. The first one which we are using is the Arduino Uno, which computes the output from the IR sensor to display it on the LCD screen. Next one, which is obviously the PIR sensor, which we are using to detect the motion of the object. And then next one is the LCD screen, which we are using to display the count of the objects which we are passing in front of the IR sensor on our conveyor belt. This is the potentiometer which is used to change the contrast of the LCD screen. Next one is LED. This is an optional component if anybody wants notification that object is in the sensors area, so it will notify the object by glowing when the object comes in the sensors region. And the last one is the breadboard. We are using this breadboard to mount our components to give them a sufficient amount of power supply and see the expected output. If anybody doesn't have the LCD screen available, he or she can also use the serial monitor of the Arduino IDE board, which we are using software which we are using to create the code for our Arduino Uno board. So only minor changes that there is some changes in we have to do with the code of our Arduino. So let's create our circuit diagram. So as you can see, we have created our circuit. We have connected this output of the IR sensor to the 7th number digital pin of Arduino Uno board. We have given the power by connecting the power terminal of IR sensor to the positive terminal of the breadboard and ground of IR sensor to the negative terminal of the breadboard. We have also connected the LCD which require to display the count of the objects which passes in on our conveyor belt at high speed under the IR sensor region. So let's check the code for it. So this type of code which we are going to use to display the count of the objects which passes in front of our IR sensor. So now let's do the simulation. So initially the count is 1 as the object is in the region of the IR sensor. As I move that object, the count increases 2, then this is 3, then this is 4, then this is 5th, and likewise in this way as the object passes the region of the IR sensor, our sensor gives that signal to the 7th number digital pin of Arduino Uno board. Then our Arduino Uno board take that output of IR sensor as input and display the count of the objects on the LCD screen, likely as shown in this figure or in this simulation software which we are using. This is Tinkercad. So now let's go to our practical demo.
So this is our setup. This is the conveyor belt setup and this is the IR sensor and this is the conveyor belt along with one box which we are going to count as soon as the conveyor belt will move, and this is the hardware connection all we have done, and on this screen we will get the output as the counting. So let's see. So let's turn on the button. You can see our system has started and very fastly the conveyor belt is moving and the IR sensor is detecting the object moving around it, and we can see on the screen we have got the data counts. This is the live data count. You can see the data count is increasing very fast as soon as this is increasing. So here is the demonstration of the conveyor belt object counting machine. This conveyor belt is moving along with the object. This IR sensor is detecting it, and on the count we are having the data counts. So friends, we have seen that how the boxes move onto the conveyor belt in the similar fashion as it moves in the industry, and how the sensors are helpful to count those objects and give us the data of that object count.
So now let's check some examples of our system which we have created. So the first one is obviously an industry. With the help of our system, we can count the multiple number of products such as water bottle cans or other things which are produced in the in industry to keep record and which are moving on very high speeds on the conveyor belt. So to keep record of all that products, we can use our system. And the next one is then emerging, that is with the help of our system, the security services like police and others can keep track on the public gathering places like cinema halls, hotels or other wedding ceremonies and functions to avoid the public gatherings in this COVID-19 pandemic period. So with the help of this, they can keep control over the society and can control the spread of the viruses. So these are some examples, some applications of our system, and other many other applications are also of our system. So we will discuss the later words.